You know you need to get a handle on your knowledge management initiatives. But do you really have time for another project? Hey there, I'm Jonathan, the Director of Implementation Services here at ScreenSteps. And I understand that you're considering ScreenSteps to help your company improve its knowledge operations. But you may already be swamped with other projects, and you're not really sure how you could possibly add yet another one to your plate. Totally get it. Now, while adding another initiative may seem overwhelming, I promise that if you make room for this project, it will free up time in other areas. And in this video, I'm going to share the 3 steps of the implementation process that we use to simplify the project and help you see an immediate return on investment. The first step is to increase the number of content contributors. If you have hundreds of processes and procedures to document and only one content author, of course it's going to be impossible to envision finding time to create all those digital guides. Luckily, one person does not need to be the sole digital guide creator. With ScreenSteps, we teach you how to leverage your subject matter experts so that you can capture their knowledge and effectively distribute the load in knowledge documentation. The second step is to leverage Clarify, ScreenSteps' AI-powered knowledge ops assistant. With Clarify AI, you and your fellow contributors don't need to spend months typing out every step. The AI can take existing text or audio recordings and pull out the relevant knowledge to create an easy-to-follow outline. You can literally just start talking and explain how to perform a procedure, just like if you were explaining it to a coworker. And within a few minutes, you can have a procedure documented. And finally, the last step is to prioritize the highest impact digital guides. We use the 30-60-90 method. In the first 30 days with ScreenSteps, you will document and roll out the digital guides that will have the biggest impact on your workload. So if your supervisors spend 40% of their time answering a handful of questions, then those are the first guides that you document. Usually we aim to launch with about 20 of the most impactful digital guides. After that first 30 days, we then look to 60 and 90 days out and prioritize the content that should be produced then. Once you roll those digital guides out to your employees, your supervisors won't need to spend so much time answering those questions, which will free up their time to work on other important projects. So yes, implementing your ScreenSteps Knowledge Ops platform is going to take some work. But by following those 3 steps, the work is much more manageable. And think of it as an investment. The fact is, you're already spending time explaining things to coworkers. You're just doing it over chat, email, or face-to-face, and your knowledge isn't being captured. With ScreenSteps, you'll be creating an asset that coworkers can leverage again and again instead of you, which will free up your schedule. So if you're ready to get started, schedule some time to talk to a ScreenSteps implementation expert today. And don't forget to like and subscribe.